Hey, hi, how are ya? Today we have another spicy noodle edition, okay? And this is the Buldok corn hot chicken flavor ramen. Yellow pack. I tried to match. My light is like a yellowy green color, like a lime green color. But today I did something exciting with these noodles. I put them in a watermelon. There is someone that I have seen on YouTube. I don't remember her YouTube name, so I'll add it right here. She went to a restaurant, her husband, and they served them noodles in a watermelon. And they had chopped up the watermelon and mixed it in with the noodles, and it looks super blessed. So I'm kind of doing my own little spin on that. Ready for the reveal? Ooh. Ah. Oh my god, this is so cool. I love that I'm like, you know, doing things that I want to on this creative adventure. Alright, so I'll put this lid, I'll put it right here for the aesthetic. Alright, so I also got some of the watermelon on the side here and some sesame seeds. I'm gonna sprinkle some of that on there. I'll put some on here too. Let me show you the inside. So pretty cool. There it is. I put some of the watermelon juice in there as well. Ooh! So exciting. I should take a picture.
I should take a picture with my phone. Oh yeah.
Y'all looks fire flame. Fire. What is it? Fire flame spin. $100 million. Okay. I'm gonna say my prayers and then I'm gonna dig in. I'm gonna start off with water today. Once again, I'm about a little dry. And remember, I ain't drinking water until after the meal, so get my first sip in before I start. Okay. Oh, I didn't get lime. Should I do lime? Should I add lime? I think I have to do a lime, remember? First bite. Go get my lime now. I got the lime. Didn't get lemons this time because I made sea moss gel for the first time. And the person I grabbed it from says it's better to soak them with lime. So I got a bag of limes. I love limes as well. Squeeze it on my cheek. All right, first bite. Let's do it. I'm excited for this one. This has a different kind of scent to it. I can't describe it. Don't smell like corn. Actually, yeah, it smells like sweet corn. Does it say sweet corn? No. All right, first bite. Yeah, I taste the corn. I taste the corn flavor. It's not my favorite. I'd probably rate this one, I'd give it a 6 because I do love the spice. I love the burn, but I'm not too fond of the flavor. Excuse me. Yo, watermelon combination is fire. This is pretty bomb bomb diggity diggity bomb bomb. Yeah. You know, I am not mad at this combination. It's pretty good. I feel like I should rotate them. I'm like reaching. That's better. I think I have to announce this again because I can hear background very clearly. I live with people, so you may hear noise in the back. It is what it is. We gonna still make this video, okay? Hopefully I'll be bumping to the tunes. Who would have thought? Spicy noodles and watermelon. Like, this is really good. Yeah, I was marved. You know those ones where you know you're not hungry, but you didn't really have a proper meal, so you know you should eat one, and then once you start eating, you're like, whoa, I didn't realize I was this hungry. That's how I'm feeling. That was a big bite. So I've reached 4 weeks of the sober challenge and I feel fabulous. I've been really into it with my creative side lately. That's been fun. I've been really into acrylic pour painting. Really enjoying that. This following week though was a bit challenging emotionally. I talk to myself a lot. There's a lot of conversations that happen inside of here. And I'll talk to myself and I ask myself, like, is this really worth all this energy? You know? All this stress and anger that you're feeling. Like, is this worth it? Focus on what you gotta do. If it's to a point where I have to say something, I will. But some things I feel like I just don't need to. And I can just not pay attention to it and do my own thing, you know? But I also feel like it's one of those things where I feel it in the moment and I just allow time to pass and then I'm over it. Move right along, honey. And you know, there are times where I've had to speak up for myself. And that's that. Like an equal balance for me right now. I think I'm gonna dump the rest of this then. Oh, how do we feel about the blue hair? Mermaid vibes. Yes, honey. I love it. Especially with the glam. I really love it. At first, like the first week, it's been exactly a week today. So during this time, I was kind of like, I don't feel like it goes with my skin tone. But it's slowly growing on me. Feeling it. Out of all my hair colors that I've done, I feel like nothing beats the green. I think I have a video on my YouTube with the green hair. It was like 2 years ago. 2 years or last year for my brother's birthday. Green hair in that video. I'm legit living my best life right now. Noodles and watermelon? I have to record this.
I'll do one of these. Excuse me.
Alright, I have a few more bites here. I might have to slurp these ones. Yeah, I'm gonna have to slurp this. Here we go. Ooh. Messy, are we? I feel like a hot mess right now, but itty woody. I am a hot mess, that's why. Thank you. Time for some water. Waha sa'at no ahone. And I'm hard. It's water time. Fini! I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you have a wonderful day or night wherever you may be. And until my next video, ta-ta, cheerio. Okay, bye! Hope you enjoyed. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you have a wonderful day or night. Fini! I hope you have a wonderful day or night wherever you may be. Excuse me. Well, I hope you... I think I got the itis. Yeah.